Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best LED headlights that you can get right now. Whether you're looking for an affordable upgrade for your car or premium lighting for your motorcycle, we've got you covered. Make sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details. So, let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the Automotive Fat Bob LED Headlight Kit. This product is specifically designed for Harley Davidson Fat Bob motorcycles, making it ideal for riders who want to upgrade their lighting with a premium option. It features integrated low beam, high beam, and daytime running lights, powered by high-quality LED chips, delivering a brighter and more focused beam for improved visibility and riding safety. The headlight is also rated IP67 waterproof, ensuring reliable performance in any weather conditions. The design and build quality are exceptional, with cooling grooves for superior heat dissipation and built-in circuit protection to prevent flickering or failure. Although installation is plug-and-play for 2018 and later models, earlier models require an additional mounting bracket, which is not included. This can be a drawback for some users, but overall, the process is straightforward with the help of the included installation manual and video. While the Automotive Fat Bob LED Headlight Kit is the most expensive item on our list, it offers unparalleled durability and performance tailored for motorcycle enthusiasts. The value proposition is clear for Harley riders looking for quality lighting upgrades, but the price point and compatibility limitations make it less suitable for general automotive use. Pros include its premium build, excellent lighting performance, and weather resistance. The cons are the high price tag and lack of a mounting bracket for older models. Coming in at number 4 is the Terminator H11 9005 light bulbs combo. If you're looking for brightness, this product delivers an impressive 60,000 lumens, 900% brighter than traditional halogen bulbs. Its advanced Z10 technology ensures consistent, high-efficiency illumination, making night driving safer and more comfortable. The beam pattern is precisely engineered to eliminate dark spots and glare, mimicking factory halogen bulbs for ideal visibility without distracting oncoming drivers. The build quality here is excellent, featuring aviation aluminum housing, a thermostatic copper plate, and a 20,000 RPM cooling fan for optimal heat dissipation. This combination extends the lifespan to an impressive 70,000 hours, making it one of the most durable options in its price range. The compact, 1-to-1 halogen bulb size simplifies installation by removing the need for external drivers or wiring, addressing common issues like dust cover interference. For $49.99, this is a great mid-tier option for drivers who want enhanced brightness and durability without breaking the bank. It's perfect for light conversion kits on a wide range of vehicles, thanks to its advanced CAN bus system, which eliminates flickering and dashboard warnings. Pros include excellent brightness, long lifespan, and easy installation, while cons are limited to minor compatibility issues with sensitive vehicle models requiring a CAN bus decoder. At number 3, we have the Terminator H11 9005 LED bulbs combo. This product is a fantastic choice for drivers looking for powerful lighting with a focus on performance and reliability. With 60,000 lumens per set and advanced Z10 technology, these bulbs deliver 800% more brightness than standard halogen options. The beam pattern is carefully calibrated to eliminate shadows, dark spots, and glare, ensuring safer nighttime driving. The design is compact and user-friendly, featuring a 1-to-1 halogen mini size that simplifies installation. The robust build includes aviation-grade aluminum, a thermostatic copper plate, and a high-efficiency 22,000 RPM cooling fan for rapid heat dissipation. These features contribute to a long lifespan of up to 60,000 hours, making it a durable and reliable choice. Additionally, it includes a built-in CAN bus driver for seamless compatibility with sensitive vehicle models. Priced at $51.99, this combo pack is slightly more expensive than the Terminator model at rank 4, but it offers additional features like enhanced cooling and broader compatibility. Ideal for those who prioritize performance and longevity. It balances affordability with high-end features. Pros include outstanding brightness, durable construction, and ease of installation, while cons are limited to occasional compatibility issues with specific vehicle models. Taking the number 2 spot is the Sealight L2S HB3 plus H9 LED bulb combo. If you're looking for brightness, this product delivers a staggering 90,000 lumens, making it 10 times brighter than traditional halogen bulbs. With 34 mil chips and 32 ultra-bright beads, the Sealight bulbs ensure excellent visibility for nighttime driving, allowing you to spot obstacles like deer or falling rocks well in advance. A 6500K cool white light adds a premium feel to your vehicle's lighting. The design is compact and thoughtfully engineered, featuring a real 1-to-1 halogen size for easy installation. The 360 degrees adjustable lock ring ensures a seamless fit into factory sockets, eliminating polarity worries and flickering issues. The build quality is impressive, boasting a silent 25,000 RPM fan and double copper tubes for optimized heat dissipation, which extends the lifespan to over 70,000 hours. Perfect for drivers who spend long hours on the road. At $49.39, the Sealight LED bulb combo offers top-tier brightness and durability at a competitive price. This is an excellent choice for those looking for outstanding performance without venturing into premium pricing territory. Pros include exceptional brightness, long lifespan, and universal compatibility, while cons are limited to occasional installation issues in special vehicle models requiring a bus decoder. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Terminator H11 H9 LED bulbs. This product stands out as the best budget option on our list, providing incredible value at just $26.99. Despite the low price, it delivers impressive performance with 40,000 lumens and 6,500K white illumination, making it 800% brighter than standard halogen lights. The ultra-slim 0.03-inch design ensures a concentrated beam with no dark spots, shadows, or glare, enhancing visibility and safety during night driving. The build quality is excellent for its price point, featuring aviation-grade aluminum and a substantial copper baseboard for heat dissipation. The high-speed cooling fan ensures stable performance and extends the lifespan to over 60,000 hours. The compact 1-to-1 halogen mini design makes installation easy, fitting seamlessly into lamp housings without requiring additional modifications. This product is perfect for budget-conscious buyers who want reliable lighting upgrades without overspending. With over 98% vehicle compatibility and CAN bus readiness, it offers hassle-free integration for most vehicles. Pros include its affordability, excellent brightness, and durable construction, while cons are limited to the need for a CAN bus decoder in some sensitive vehicle models. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best LED headlights for your needs. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, comment below with any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. See you in the next video.